Student, we will discuss this. What weight of hydrated oxalic acid should be added for complete neutralization of 100 ml of 0.2 N NaOH. Okay, 100 ml of 0.2 N NaOH. So options are given here. First of step 1, we have to find out millimoles of NaOH. So millimoles of NaOH, how much it is? 0.2 N is given and 100. We will take this 100 ml and 0.2 N. Okay, 100 ml and 0.2 N NaOH we will take and multiply with each other. It will be coming to be 20. Okay, here I have written 20 millimoles. It is coming. Why I am saying millimoles? Because 0.2 N is equivalent to 0.2 M, because N factor is 1. N factor 1. So millimoles and this equivalents are milliequivalents are equal. So here 0.2 M into 100, that is 20 millimoles of NaOH. We will see is used in this, and they are asking how much hydrated oxalic acid is required. So see here, second step is you have to write down the complete balanced reaction. Oxalic acid, dicarboxylic acid, ethane 1,2 dioic acid. So it will react with NaOH. Complete neutralization will take place. We will get sodium oxalate, disodium oxalate, and 2 moles of water molecule. Now 1 mole of oxalic acid will combine with 2 moles of NaOH. Right? So if 20 millimoles will be there, simple math, 20 millimoles, so 10 millimoles of carboxylic acid will be there. So we have to find out how many grams it will weigh. So for that we have to find out the molar mass. Step 3 is to get molar mass. So 2 carbon, 4 oxygen and 2 hydrogen in oxalic acid, and 2 water molecule I put 36 directly. 24 plus 64 plus 2 plus 36, total 126 molar mass of hydrated oxalic acid. Right? So here this is totally consumed. No need to figure that it is excess reagent. No, there will be no excess reagent. There will be no limiting reagent, because 1:2 ratio is there. Right? Now I will go for this. 1 mole of this oxalic acid is equal to 126 gram of hydrated oxalic acid. 2 water molecule I have written because this is the molar mass of hydrated oxalic acid, and 1 mole is equal to 1000 millimoles. So now we start from here, that 1000 millimoles of weighs 126 gram of hydrated oxalic acid. So 10 millimoles will weigh how much? 1.26 gram. Simplify it, we'll get it. So answer will be 10 millimoles, that is 1.26 gram of hydrated oxalic acid neutralizes completely 20 millimoles of NaOH. Clear? So answer is D, NaOH. Clear to you? So answer 126. We converted 10 millimoles into